Hey everyone, Microsoft has just released a new feature for Microsoft Teams called Decorate Your Background, and I'm going to demo it in this quick video. So to start, I've created a new meeting using the Meet Now button in the new version of Microsoft Teams. I gave it a title, and I'm going to actually open it up into the Teams window here so that you can see the full experience once you join a meeting. So to start, you'll notice that I don't have any background effects on, so you can see some posters on my wall in the background. I kind of have like a 4-piece panel in this back corner that sometimes I'll use to obscure things from the background. You can see my keyboard. There's actually a futon with a sweater behind me on it. And this is good because this is what, for most people working from home or potentially even in a decorated office, are going to have multiple objects in the room that are going to cause participants of the meeting's attention to kind of draw to those objects. So the purpose of the Decorate Your Background feature is to kind of blend out and in some of those objects to make it look like a different room. So to start decorating your background, you're going to click the More Actions button in Teams, followed by Effects and Avatars. And you're going to see kind of that Video Effects and Avatars section here. Now this is where you would choose your wallpapers, choose the different filters that you may want to use. For us, what we're going to do is we're going to hit the Decorate button, which is brand new. And then it takes you kind of to this Start Decorating Your Space area to decorate your background. So when I click on this button here, it's actually going to turn my camera off. And then it's going to reposition the window up into this Effects and Avatars area for Decorate Your Background. So you can see everything here is the same. Nothing has changed. The background's still exactly the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by cleaning up. So we'll click the Cleanup button, and then we'll click Generate Backgrounds. While the AI kind of works its magic here, you'll see a little bit of a loading bar, and then you'll see some very slight changes. So I'm going to enlarge the window a little bit here. It didn't actually enlarge this window, but you can kind of see previews of what that cleanup option looks like, and you'll get a couple of different ones to choose from. So if you look really closely when I apply the video, you'll see that there's kind of something hanging up on the wall back here. It's added some kind of, it looks almost like knit socks onto some of my portraits. You can see my keyboard back here actually has like a pillow on it now. There is some knickknacks and a new shelf that's been added here. Let's try it again with a different approach. Okay, so you can see that the background's been restored to its normal way. Now I'm going to click on Fancy. You get a couple of different options here: Fancy, Greenhouse, Celebration, Surprise Me. And I'm going to click on Generate Background. And again, we get a little bit of a different look here. So we have two different options, and you can kind of see those change in real time in the background. And now I'll apply this so you can see what it looks like. So again, very kind of similar approach here. Is it kind of took those pictures that I have in the background here, and it very slightly changed them up. Same kind of thing here. It looks like there's a pillow on top of the keyboard over here, but like this lamp and all these knickknacks on this shelf sitting next to me, those are not in the room. And again, they look slightly different. There's even a lamp kind of up here above my head with some unique lighting effects, if you can kind of see that as well. So we're going to go back in, we're going to take a look, and we're going to try another style. So this time we'll try Celebration. And now you can see from the background that it has really changed how everything kind of looks back there. So this one is kind of more of a starry pattern with, again, a lamp. And then this one is a little bit even more busy. So if I apply my video and turn that on, we can kind of see that there are some balloons in the background, some confetti, some streamers. Again, this table over here on the side has even different kind of knickknacks patterned onto it. I am noticing a little bit of a glow effect above my shoulder, but I think that that is more meant to just add some extra ambience to the room. So we'll try one more here, and then we'll close out the video. So you'll see the surprise me option at the bottom, and I believe that what the surprise me one does is it is basically just going to look at the 4 different theme options and just generate one at random. We'll see here in a second what it does. Oh, so this one actually added, it looks like some pixelation to everything. And this one put me underwater. So I think the pixelation one probably is going to be the more unique one. So I'm going to apply that and we'll take a look at what it looks like. So it kind of gave me like a Minecraft type theme. Everything is very blocky. Again, this is kind of where that side table was sitting. But yeah, the piano's in the background. It looks like there's a snowman almost kind of back here in Minecraft form. And it almost has kind of like a 3D geometric shape to it. So these are just some ideas what you can do with the new feature in Teams. It's likely in a targeted release right now as I'm recording this in December, but it should be rolling out to more Teams premium users in the new version of Teams over the next 60 to 90 days.